sir. Magandang gabi, sir.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Thank you for this invitation from Bombo Radio Butuan. And good evening to your listener, sir.
Sir, salamat din sir sa pagpapaunlak nag-interview. Kasi sir, target natin na mawala yung misinformation or disinformation. Kaya we connected with you sa ating kapulisan. Sir, first and foremost, pwede ba nating malaman kung ano yung naging resulta ng pagtutulungan ng mga lahat ng ahensya, especially mula sa inyo sa PNP, at ano yung naging takbo sir ng investigation ninyo po regarding sa Cessna plane na nag-crash sa Dinagat Island, sir?
Yes, sir. For the information of your viewers, sir, the aircraft is listed as RPC-244. Yun po, sir, yung registered number ng aircraft, RPC-2444. The pilot, Captain Jose Antonio Ortol, and his lone passenger is Denise Villar de Castro. Ortol, sir, is 50 years old, while Denise de Castro, sir, is 50 years old. All of them, sir, is from 31 Juan Luna, San Lorenzo Village, Makati City. On April 8, 2026, at about 1 o'clock p.m., sir, our police provincial office received a call from Sayak Airport, Del Carmen, Siargao, that alleged a missing aircraft were missing within our area of responsibility, sir. So with that, sir, we conducted a search and rescue operation immediately, initiated by our provincial director, Police Colonel Jerome De La Cruz, sir. He immediately went to the area together with the Bureau of Fire Protection, the Philippine Coast Guard, and other line agencies, sir. The area of Barangay Navarro, Tubahon, Dinagat Island. That's the initial information that we have, sir, during the information that we got on April 8. But, sir, I will give you the most recent
Yes, sir.
report from the ground. That around 4:30 a.m. of April 10, 2026, the joint retrieval operation by the PDRRMO, Tubahon Municipal Police Station, PCG, Philippine Army, the Bureau of Fire Protection, the MDRMO of Tubahon, and barangay volunteers were terminated. Yung joint retrieval nila, sir, were terminated following the verbal request from the family members of the boat passenger and the pilot. The families requested that the recovered body parts be cremated and the remaining parts of the crash site be respectfully covered instead of continuing retrieval operation. That's the most recent information that we got from the ground, sir.
Okay. So, sir, this means na nakita talaga yung katawan ng naturang mga biktima, sir, on the ground.
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, it's nakita, sir, yung mga remains na lang, sir. We don't have the actual body, sir, but yung mga remains na lang, sir, yung nakita, sir.
Pero at least, sir, na agad ninyong na-contact o nagkalinya tayo agad sa pamilya ng naturang mga biktima, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The representative and the retrieval operations headed by our provincial director, sir, together with the provincial government, sir, already contacted the relatives of the victim, sir.
Sir, pwede bang malaman, bakit papunta sila ng Siargao? What is the purpose?
The purpose, sir, their flight en route from Subic going to Siargao, purposely, sir, for a vacation, sir.
For, sir?
For vacation.
For
For a
vacation.
vacation.
So, ano daw, sir? First time nila na nag-aeroplano papunta ng Siargao? Pabalik-balik na ba sila?
We don't have any information regarding that, sir, if it's their first time or they're frequently flying from Manila going to Siargao. The information that we got, sir, that their flight, sir, is coming from Manila going to Siargao, sir.
Mm. So, ano yan, sir?
Specifically at Subic, sir.
Sir, ano yan, sir? Yung pilot, kung pwede, kung okay lang, sir, pwede
Yes, sir.
naman hindi sagutin, pwede ding sagutin. Yung pilot at yung passenger, sir, wala namang relasyon or sino lang yung turista talaga dyan, sir? Yung passenger lang? Ano ba, sir?
Actually, sir, we don't have the authority, sir, and
okay,
the
sir. Okay lang.
information regarding the relationship between the pilot and the passenger, sir.
Oo, kasi
But they
dalawa
are
lang
living
kasi
in
sila.
one place, sir.
Oo. Sige lang. Okay lang, sir.
They do have the same address, sir.
Yes, sir. Sige. So, ganyan. Sir, yung ating partner na mula sa PDRR MC, they are requesting na matanggal or i-take down yung mga, ano yan, sir, mga post or regarding sa crash site. Ano yung reaction nyo dyan, sir? Sinusuportahan nyo din po ba yan, sir?
Sir, please come again, sir. Medyo mahina lang po, sir, yung
Yeah.
signal sa areas.
Yung partner agency natin, yung sa Dinagat Island Provincial Office, sir,
Yes, sir.
nag-request na ipang take down umano yung mga post regarding sa crash at sa crash site, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We do support, sir, the stance of the local government or the provincial government of Dinagat Island, sir, to formally take down all those misinformation from the social media, sir.
And with due respect sa yung mga picture siguro ng mga individual na saka or any video which is sensitive content and audio, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All of the videos, pictures that can be posted to the social media, sir, it is within line with the laws that we have regarding those sensitive pictures, and of course, sir, with the authority coming from the family.
Sige. Sir, pwera na lang, sir, or gawas na lamang, basin ako'y wala na pangutana sa imuha na gusto nyong iparating, sir, sa ating mga viewers, listeners sa ngayon, sir.
Yes, good evening once again. The Police Provincial Office of Dinagat Island, under the leadership of Police Colonel Jerome de la Cruz, we're here to support. We immediately conduct search and rescue operation in this kind of incident, unfortunately. But the Police Provincial Office are readily available. And here we are open 24/7 for you to get concrete and true information for us to inform the public.
Sige. Sir, daghan kayong salamat, sir. Daghan kayong salamat po sa kang Police Colonel Jerome de la Cruz, Provincial Director ninyo, o ingon man kanimo, sir, og sa tanan niya mga ginsakupan sa Dinagat Island Police Provincial Office nga among naka-contact para po niya atog mahatagan og klaro nga information ang atong mga viewers, listeners, sir, dili lamang diri sa Caraga Region, but sa tanan mga naminaw, sir, sa bisan asang panig man sa kalibutan, sir. Salamat, sir. Maayong gabi.
Yes, sir. It is our pleasure to join your program. Good evening once again.
Si Police Lieutenant Colonel Jerry Alvarez, mga kabumbo.